Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to set up an Instagram professional account. To set up an Instagram professional account, navigate to your profile on the bottom right. Tap the three-line menu, the top right. This is now a personal account, so I'm going to switch it to a professional account. Scroll a little bit down to find account type and tools. Right here. Inside, what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit the account type, right? You can see right here, this is a personal account. If I want to switch to a professional account, all I got to do is just go back and hit switch to a professional account. Continue. Select what best describes you. Select from the category here. Say blogger. And all I got to do now is just wait to switch to a professional account, right? And once you select your category, to gain access to analytics, ad tools, and contact buttons. Are you a creator or a business? You could just say I'm a creator. And okay. And now you just created your professional account. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.